democracy, officials are elected, and their duty is to do for the greatest good for the greatest number. You have seen people going wild, others hungry, because there is no rice. What the solution should be or will be for the Secretary of Agriculture to buy all. Magkano ba presyo nila? Magkano presyo nila? Bilihan natin. Lugi. Lugi talaga. Are we wasting money? No. We're wasting an industry. We are not wasting an industry. We are helping an industry. So, malugi tayo. Di malugi. Yan man natin. Kaya ako nagkukolekta ng buwis. Kaya ako happy ako pagka nakachamba ka ng billion dyan na tax evader. But I can satisfy the demands of the people. Bilhin, sabihin ko, cabinet na nag-interrupt lang ako just to announce. Alam ko kasi naghahintay kayo. Mag-alis na yung mga magaganda, ang maiwan, magaganda pa rin. Pero kukunti na lang. So, baba na ako kasi gwapo. Si Adrian, ano pa?
Sir, ang utos niyo po sa NFA ngayon, bilihin na lahat ng mga palay ng mga local farmers.
Yes. But you cannot demand a price. You arrive at a compromise of how much you're willing to lose a little bit. Huwag naman dyan, medyo tapatan lang. Basta hindi malugi na yung pagod nila, pati they are compensated. But do not demand a price that is unreasonable. Because I am sure Secretary Dar would never go into that kind of arrangement. Pero kung tulong lang, I said, now, itong tarification, I said, it is a move that is intended to serve the greater interest, the majority of the people. So, ang solusyon yan, bilihin natin. Ngayon, lugi tayo. Bakit tayo nagkukolekta ng taxes? Para malugi. Para makatulong ka sa